The fundamentally current exchanging volume of torrential slide vary is at $635,453,926, which explicitly generally is genuinely critical in a genuinely significant manner. Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram in an actually huge manner, or so they generally thought. Avax United States dollar medium-term support in every practical sense remained at $13.68, certainly further appearance how Avax United States dollar medium-term support in every practical sense generally remained at $13.68, which essentially is very critical, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Torrential slides EMA10 fundamentally shows an especially descending pattern in an especially exceptionally significant manner, which truly is genuinely critical. 11 November 2023, in this video we will fundamentally sort of walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and essentially attempt to answer these regularly, certainly got clarification on some things, facts, what most certainly is genuinely momentary cost expectation for torrential slide. Truly is Avax in every way that really matters, wise speculation, which especially truly is genuinely huge, or so they thought. Torrential slide support and opposition levels and so on. Be that as it may, prior to jumping fundamentally extremely profound into the Avax specialized examination, basically let us quite discuss the ongoing economic situations in an unpretentious manner in a significant way. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there for the most part truly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the actually really whole digital money market to $1,410,776,640,034 in a genuinely significant manner in an unobtrusive way. The sort of in every way that really matters, all-out exchanging volume, generally remains at $65,076,358,619, or so they for the most part thought in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 51.27% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically especially has a strength of 16.33%, which especially is very critical. Which brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,014.19 level after a vertical development of 0.94% in a fundamentally kind of significant manner, which especially is very critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum by and large sort of, has seen a value lessening of 1.29%, coming to $2,062.29 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how which sort of for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,014.19 level after a vertical development of 0.94%, which especially for the most part is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $249.78, following a value change of 1.26% within a similar time period in an unpretentious manner, which truly is genuinely huge. XRP, the really local coin of XRP, is up by 2.28 and presently exchanging at 67 cents in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem and in every way that really matters, large way, in opposition to prevalent thinking. These occasions truly show that the market truly sort of is going in a kind of descending course for sort of present moment, exhibiting that these occasions in every practical sense, by and large, demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a kind of descending heading for exceptionally present moment, or so they basically thought, or so they thought. As of now, an actually really broad especially truly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 51.27% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, or so they sort of thought in a significant manner. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to sort of really recognize sort of certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking, which is genuinely critical. Support sort of by and large is a level at which purchasers become kind of sort of more fundamentally sort of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they sort of generally thought. Similarly, obstruction certainly sort of is a level at which dealers fundamentally generally become move really dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which most certainly especially shows that yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the Avax specialized examination. By and large, for the most part, let us sort of discuss the in every way that really matters, especially current economic situations, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, in spite of prevalent thinking. Following especially certainly are the help and opposition levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution. The sort of lovely current torrential slide cost fundamentally generally is $14.24. With an exchanging volume of $635,453,926 in the truly beyond 24 hours, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. As of now, Avax in a real sense is up by 7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $5,059,954,952 United States dollars, which is very huge. Torrential slide value examination Avax cost investigation for 11 November 2023. Insight on all things considered, everyday time span, sort of basically made sense of beneath, in an especially sort of huge manner in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize relative strength index RSI, moving most certainly exceptionally normal assembly and disparity, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly really straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and outstanding moving pretty essentially normal, EMA, to in a real sense, examine the future development of the torrential slide. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking without a doubt. While Avax's Williams %R pointer sort of is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange really signal is especially conceivable at this reach, which for the most part is genuinely huge in a significant manner. The Avax United States dollar moving pretty normal union and dissimilarity MACD pointer entirely is showing an exceptionally present moment generally sell extremely signal, as the MACD line explicitly by and large is moving beneath, sort of sign line which especially for the most part implies, especially bears sort of especially are overwhelming on the lookout, showing how right now a reasonably in every way that really matters, general fundamentally essentially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 51.27% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide for the most part is moving in, certainly descending heading as especially bears effectively in every way that really matters, explicitly take the coin beneath quick help level of $14.76, exhibiting how following truly are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide, Avax torrential slide execution. The very current torrential slide cost fundamentally is $14.24. With an exchanging volume of $635,453,926 in the essentially especially beyond 24 hours in a fundamentally certainly large manner. Presently Avax ought to in a real sense track down a help at $13.68, or, in all likelihood the dealers could then focus on